Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. CryptoSnake is here, and today I'm excited to show you how to stake Ethereum on your Ledger hardware wallet using Lido stEth liquid staking solution. So let's get started. Now I understand that you might be expecting a long step-by-step guide on how to stake Ethereum, but I don't want to waste your time with general information about what liquid staking is. With Lido's staking solution, the process of staking Ethereum is incredibly simple. All you need to do is hold stEth token and you will receive your daily rewards automatically, thanks to the Lido algorithm. This is why stEth is currently sitting at number 9 position on CoinGecko, and why staking ETH with Lido is one of the most popular solutions out there. Again, you don't need to run your own node, manually claim rewards, or download additional software. You can stake Ethereum with Lido stEth on pretty much any wallet that supports Ethereum ERC20 tokens. To be clear, one more time, anyone who holds stEth coins will receive their rewards automatically every single day. And of course, since you don't run your own node, Lido will take 10% off your daily rewards. For example, if staking with your own node gives you 5% annually, with Lido you will receive 4.5%. So how can you get stEth? I assume you already have Ethereum deposited on your Ledger hardware wallet. If not, you can check out my step-by-step guide on how to set up your Ledger Nano X device first and then return back to this video. So once you deposited Ethereum, you can swap it using one of the applications inside the Discovery tab on Ledger Live, such as 1inch, Paraswap, or even Lido app. In my case, I'll be using Paraswap. So make sure to carefully check all the numbers. Follow the steps on your Ledger Nano device. And once your stEth has been added to your balance, you will start receiving daily rewards automatically. You can check your daily rewards inside the Lido app. Go to Discover tab, open Lido, and click Rewards. You can also check your rewards on the blockchain via the official Lido website, simply by pasting your Ethereum address. And I highly recommend you guys to learn more about Lido, its processes, and the company on their official website lido.fi. And that's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hodl strong, and I'll see you later. Hey guys, are you ready for the biggest Bitcoin conference of the year? Bitcoin 2023 is going down in Miami from May 18th to the 20th, and it's gonna be off the hook. The ticket prices are gonna keep going up as we get closer to the event. Use my promo code CryptoSnake at checkout and you will get an awesome 10% discount off your ticket price. If you're a Bitcoin lover, this is the place to be. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description, grab your tickets, use code CryptoSnake, and let's get ready to rock Miami.